race for real. I'm gonna see if the Mighty Kingswood has a 10-second pass in it or not. First run, I'm gonna run it on these wheels, and then I've got some front runners and stuff in the trailer, so I'll put those on and yeah, we'll just see how it runs. Go from there. All right, first run on the stockies. Racing Joe McVie in his supercharged VN, so this will be a good race. Just doing this one run, and then going to go back, put the change the wheels up, and come back. But we'll see what it runs. Hopefully, oh, this run will probably be a 12 something, but we'll see. First run. Change the wheels, 235 semi-slicks on the rear and some front runners, and did 11.9 with the other wheels, so 120 mile an hour. We'll see what it does on these. Alright, this run spun off the line but did a 1.8 60 foot, 11.38, 121 mile an hour. So the only thing I'm changing this time is I took the air cleaner off for a run, see if it picks up or not, and see how we go. Alright, so third run we're about to do right now. So what I've figured out is the soft suspension in this car, the front end's lifting up too quick. So I need to try and launch it a little bit softer off the line to stop it from spinning. Because what's happened is the front end's lifting right up, topping out the suspension, and it's unloading the back tyres. So I've either got to try and plan it and then back off and plan it again, go off the body roll, or just try and half throttle and then just get into it. I'm going to try and half throttle it, hopefully get a good time. So this is the third run, 11.429, went slower, but I tried to half throttle it off the launch and it was worse, did a 1.93 60 foot. So I'm gonna have to try and get that 60 foot better, but it picked up mile per hour with the air cleaner off. So just heading back to the trailer to get my timing light and put more timing in it. And I'm gonna have to try and boot it off the line a bit harder and hope I get a good 60 foot and then I'll get my 10-second pass. what I'm going to have to do here. If I do want to run a 10-second pass in this car, is get some better tyres on the back. Bugger, that's the last run for the night too, so let's see what it is. So the last run was 123 mile an hour. That was an extra 2 degrees of timing, so it didn't do anything. 11.8, and it was the worst 60 foot. The track's got dew on it now, so it's got the 10 in it, just needs really good traction. So, but at least I know it could do it. So the car weighed in at 1,480 kilos. That's without driver. That's with the Steely's hubcaps and probably 3/4 or more tank of fuel. So the car's actually not that heavy.